The calculator you just watched appear took about 90 seconds to build. I made the first working version with an AI tool called Claude by explaining what I wanted in plain English. It does the pricing math for an electrician, and it's the kind of tool you could test for around $29. Everybody acts like an AI side hustle should replace your entire job by Friday, but it won't, and it doesn't need to. A better goal is to build something small that earns money besides your paycheck. Here are 5 side hustles you could build with Claude. Each one is a small digital product you own. At $29 per sale, $3,000 a month is about 104 sales. Across 5 products, that's roughly 3 or 4 sales a day in total. It's not a giant win, but a lot of small sales. And you don't need employees, coding skills, or thousands of followers. And I've made about $176,000 selling small digital products. That's after fees, and it took years, not a weekend. Later, I'll show you the public numbers from somebody else doing it so that you can verify it yourself. Tell me if this sounds like you. You've got a job and you're doing the best you can to keep up, but your paycheck doesn't stretch as far as it used to. So you start watching AI videos for a realistic way to make extra money. Then somebody tells you to start an agency, sell prompts, or let a robot run a business while you sleep. And you're thinking, well, that doesn't sound like me. You don't have a team, coding skills, or even a big audience. And that's good, because none of these 5 ideas needs any of them. A digital product is a file or tool you can sell more than once. A checklist, calculator, short guide, or a form the website might change. The way people find it might change, but the product itself belongs to you. And 2 quick things, then the first idea. I put the Claude instructions for all 5 products on one free page, including the calculator instruction from the beginning. It's at notes.platformproof.com. Enter your email and I'll send it to you. That also puts you on my mailing list, and you can unsubscribe whenever you want. And while you watch, comment which idea fits your job the best. Just type the number 1 through 5. I read every comment and they help me decide what to make next. Number 1 is the calculator. Our first example is an electrician. Here's a problem a lot of electricians run into. He walks through a job, adds everything up in his head, and gives the customer a price. 3 days later, he realizes he forgot something and bid too low. So the product is a pricing calculator. He enters labor, materials, overhead, and profit. The calculator gives him a price to start with. No more doing all the math in someone's driveway. The electrician explains how he prices a job, and Claude turns those rules into the first working version. Then the electrician checks every formula. And watch this. Remember the calculator from the beginning? This is it. There it is, a working tool, and no coding was required. Now you might be asking, who would pay for this? And that would be newer electricians in small shops that are tired of underbidding their jobs. If it helps prevent one bad estimate, the value is easy to understand. And a simple version could go from $29 to $50 if it is more complete. The valuable part isn't Claude, it's the electrician knowing which costs belong in the estimate. Claude turns the knowledge into a tool. And now you might be wondering, how would anyone find my calculator? And hold on to that question, because before this video ends, I'll show you how the buyer finds it and pays for it. Start with one useful version, show it to real electricians, and then improve it with their feedback. And if you're thinking, I'm not an electrician, what can I make for my job? I built a free tool for that. Type in 1 sentence about your work and it suggests a product idea to test. It's free at make.platformproof.com. The link is below, so check it out after this video. Number 2 uses the same electrician's knowledge in a completely different way. Number 2 is a playbook. A playbook is a short guide that walks somebody through a job the way an experienced person would do it. Our electrician knows which checks to run first when a circuit stops working. That order came from years of seeing the same problems. He explains the process to Claude step by step. Claude organizes it into a troubleshooting guide for apprentices and newer electricians. The guide shows the buyer what to check first, what to rule out, and when to ask for help. General advice is free. The value is in the order, examples, warnings, and small details experience teaches. Claude organizes the draft. The electrician checks it for safety and accuracy. A short version might go for $19, but a more complete version could be closer to $39. And that's 2 products from one electrician, both built from knowledge he already had. Number 3 uses a completely different job. Number 3 is a template pack. Meet a massage therapist who just opened her own practice. She's good with clients, but now she's spending hours creating forms and follow-up messages. There's the new client form, the after-session note, and the check-in message she sends a week later. She turns them into a template pack. That's a small bundle another business owner could edit and use. They change the details and save themselves hours of work. She explains how she handles a client from the first appointment through the follow-up. Claude drafts the templates, and she rewrites them in her real voice. The buyer could be a new therapist, trainer, or coach who needs the same paperwork. You're saving them the time it took you to learn what belongs in them. Her wording and examples are what make the pack useful. Anything involving health information, consent, or legal language also needs to be checked. A smaller pack could start at $25 with a more complete version moving closer to $50. And no, she doesn't need a huge audience. Number 4 is the checklist. Same massage therapist, much smaller product. A checklist is a short list of steps that help someone finish a task without forgetting anything important. She might know exactly how to prepare a room for a new client or reopen after a long break. Those steps feel obvious because she's done them before. She explains the process, Claude organizes it, and she fills in anything missing. Now she has a one-page product she could price for about $15. Once she has 3 or 4 useful checklists, she could bundle them together for $39. The buyer can immediately understand what a checklist helps them do, which makes it a strong first product. The rule though is simple: one checklist, one clear task. If you try and cover too much, it starts to feel like a homework assignment. Before the last idea, let me tell you why I believe in starting with something you already know. In October of 2014, my pregnant wife felt like something wasn't right, so we went to the hospital. And she's a nurse, so going in took some convincing. But once we were there, they said everything looked normal. Well, at least normal for what was coming. An aide looked at her chart and casually said, "Hey, you guys know you're having twins, right?" "Yeah, twins." And in one sentence, on an ordinary, boring Sunday, our family was about to double. Until that night, I bought every course and chased every new opportunity. And after that, I knew I wouldn't have endless free time to learn an entirely new business. I needed something I could build from knowledge I already had. And if you've got a folder full of unfinished courses, I'm not blaming you. I bought them all too. That doesn't mean you're lazy. The business may have needed more time, money, or experience than you had. So just start smaller. Take something you know and turn it into something that you actually own. Number 5 is the highest priced idea on this list. It's a money dashboard from a bookkeeper. A lot of owners have accounting software but still don't understand the numbers. They see a screen full of reports and close it without ever knowing what deserves attention. The product is the clean dashboard showing the most important numbers. It could show what came in and what went out, and how much cash is available. You could build it in Notion, a digital notebook you can turn into simple tools. The bookkeeper tells Claude which numbers matter, how they're calculated, and how the screen should look. Claude helps with the layout and formulas. Then the bookkeeper builds it in Notion and checks every number. Now you might be asking, do people really pay for Notion templates? Here's a public example you can check for yourself. In 2021, a 19-year-old creator said he'd made $11,000 selling Notion templates. He shared the numbers publicly on Indie Hackers. Now, those were sales before fees, spread across 14 templates over 6 or 7 months. He also gave away free templates and built an audience. One template didn't make him rich, but it proved strangers pay for useful Notion templates. AI makes the first version faster today, but generic templates are also easier for everyone to create. Your advantage isn't Claude. It's knowing a job well enough to make something useful. And 5 products don't automatically equal $3,000. Just start with one, test it, and improve it before building the next. A bookkeeper's dashboard can carry a higher price because it solves a problem connected directly to money. The bookkeeper already knows which numbers confuse clients each month. A simple version could start at $29 with a fuller version closer to $79. Keep it focused on one kind of business and one problem. A clear cash flow dashboard beats a giant template that tries to track everything. Now let's answer the question I promised. How does a stranger find one of these products and buy it? Because a useful product makes nothing if nobody sees it. You start posting short YouTube videos with each one answering a specific question your buyer is already searching for. The electrician could make how I price electrical jobs without underbidding, then answer about labor and another about overhead. Under each video, he links to the Gumroad calculator. Gumroad holds the file, takes the payment, delivers the product, and sends them the money after taking its fee. There's no monthly charge to start. And over time, those videos become a library of answers, each giving another buyer a way to find the product. A small channel can appear when its videos closely answer the search, but it isn't automatic. The title must match the problem, and the video must be helpful. And before you go, let me show you how quickly Claude can help create the first draft. Comment below your job, and in the next video, I'll show you what Claude can do for you. I will paste your comment into Claude and type, "Turn something this person does regularly at work into a simple checklist that could help someone newer to the job." I'll reveal the first draft. It will still need checking though, but they will have something real to start with. That instruction is on the free page at notes.platformproof.com. Use it with your own job tonight and see what the first idea Claude will give you. The skill you stop seeing as a skill might be the one worth turning into a product. So those are the 5 ways to turn work people already know into something they can sell. And watch this video next. If I had to make $3,000 a month with ChatGPT from zero, I'd turn one skill into a product on screen, check ChatGPT's work, and explain how the right buyer could find it. It uses ChatGPT instead of Claude, but the process is still the same. And in the next video, I'm breaking down how to get your first 10 sales online without an audience. Making the product is step one. Getting it in front of buyers is what comes next. And comment proof builder if you stayed until the end and you're ready to turn something you know into a product. Now go build the damn thing. And quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. Nothing I shared guarantees that you'll make money. Your results will depend on your idea, your effort, and how well you execute.